Hello everyone, once again welcome to our YouTube channel Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Today we will discuss the admission in 2023-2024 in RIMT University. This video will be presented by me, Anushka Mukherjee, the Secretary of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. So without any delay, let's get started. So today we will be covering the following topics. Mode of application, courses, fees, and the eligibility. Mode of application. So the registration for the admission procedure will be in the form of online. You will have to visit the official website of RMIT University, which is mentioned in the description box. The link of the form is also given in the description box. Do refer to the link for registration. Courses. There is a B.Sc Forensic Science, which is a 3-year graduated course, which you can apply to learn about forensic science. There is also a M.Sc Forensic Science course, which is of 2 years, a full-time PG course. Here you can master in forensic biology, forensic toxicology, crimes in investigation, and many more other subjects. Now let's talk about the fees. The admission fees is only rupees 15,000, whereas the semester fees of B.Sc Forensic Science is only 55,000, and for the M.Sc the semester fees is rupees 35,000 only. Eligibility. For B.Sc Forensic Science, the eligibility is getting 50% marks in 10 plus 2, having subjects physics, chemistry, and biology or maths. For M.Sc Forensic Science, the eligibility is getting 50% marks at least in B.Sc Forensic Science, or either in medicine line or in engineering line or in pharmacy or anything equivalent to that, means a bachelor degree. You have to have an bachelor degree. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you find it helpful. To know more about admissions in forensic science universities, go check it out our previous videos. The links are provided in the description box. To know more about forensic science, scopes, careers, and others, do check out our previous videos. The link will be provided in our description box. To know more about forensic science, do subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share this video to all your friends. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. See you guys in the next video. Bye.